Let me show you how to use this universal AC remote control. If you do not have a code, so if you do not know the code for your AC unit, or maybe it's not properly working with these codes. First, if you actually need the codes, so you can simply pause the video here. So basically, this unit simply uses a range of codes for some models. Okay, anyway, yeah, if those codes do not work, we also engage this auto search function. So first, obviously, make sure your remote control is actually turned on, and also make sure to actually plug in your AC as well. And if you have a button how to turn on your air conditioning manually on, make sure it's actually on. Then we simply have to press and hold the set button till you see it will start to flash. And once it starts advancing, so increasing in numbers, so the code increases, you would simply release the set. So see what I'm doing. Hold the set, hold, it's blinking. And once it's increasing in the number, release. And then it will engage this auto search function. So, and your task is to simply observe when your AC starts to beep. So like either beep, 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 or also like it simply turns on and starts blowing or working. And simply like hold your remote control at your AC and wait for the beep. And check the number at which it beeps. So it's essentially like testing all the frequencies. And then you would stop the auto search and go back to that number which actually triggered that beep. And we have to actually confirm with the OK. And then your remote control should work essentially. So again, this auto search feature. So it might take maybe like up to 10 minutes to actually go through all these codes. So again, press and hold. It will blink, but keep holding. And once you see it actually going a bit up, release the set button. As you see, it's engaging the search function. It's testing all these 1000 frequencies now. Okay, good luck.